Good morning, I'm Willie. Today, April 24th, Saturday. I'll be unable to go out tomorrow because a state of emergency has been declared. We know we'll be unable to go out for 3 weeks. It's not raining today, so I cannot go out. This tunnel connecting to Awajishima Bridge. When we get out this tunnel, we can see a big bridge. Today we decided to call a restaurant in Awajishima that we are interested in. My wife and I are riding a motorcycle today. Out of the tunnel, and I'm going on the middle of the road. Many people know that I don't like heights after saying the same thing over and over again. So I'm afraid of heights. We couldn't cross this bridge last Sunday because of the strong wind. Only motorcycles were banned on this bridge. I'd be in trouble if the road was closed after crossing the island. We have to stay on the island forever until the regulation is lifted. I pray that we will not be in such trouble. We can see many cars and motorcycles are parked in the service area. Oh, there is a new parking space for motorcycles. A new tourist facility is being built on Awaji Island. When I hear Awaji Island, I think of onions and rice paddies and cattle, and a lot of milk is produced. There is a brand called Awajishima Island milk. I know it. That's good. Now we've arrived. This is a place called Awajishima. This is a motorcycle parking lot. I don't need to pay for it. I said, have a nice trip. I visited here 4 years ago, and I didn't know it was so different. It's gotten a lot of better. I'm glad I visited here after a long time. We rarely go sightseeing in Awaji Island because we often come to visit raves. Local consciousness works. Yeah, now we're going to the pancake restaurant. When I entered this road, I began to see the sea. It smells good. It smells like the sauce of eel dishes, grilled or Kong eel. I'm getting hungry because of the smell. I wanna eat pancakes soon. Yeah, we arrived at pancakes restaurant. It's so full of the customers. We made it. Now let's eat the pancakes. Oops. I hurried took the knife and fork the other way out alone.
シロップかな、欲しい。
I enjoyed it. I'm satisfied. The pancakes were cooked softly. It was fluffy and had a good texture. It's more like a good texture of bread than soft pancakes. I had to eat with 6 sliced bacon and scrambled eggs. My wife had it with a lot of fruits and whipped cream. My stomach is full, so we can go home. Feeling good. And the weather is getting better. Now from this engine, we go into the highway. It was a short tour today. I came to Awajishima Island for lunch. There is an emergency declaration from tomorrow, so I can't leave home. It was not. So I can't leave home anymore. It was to eat delicious food and see the beautiful scenery day. A good day. Today was good day. I'm going to the end this video here today. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.